I don't know how long we're gonna do this because majority of the money that we make is through us doing the actual service of the business, so it doesn't really benefit me as much to put too much of my attention to mentorship. It's just that I want to try something different and see if we can change somebody's life. That's one of my assistants. I want to see if we can change somebody's life, you know what I'm saying? So what we're thinking about doing with this offer, because I was sitting back thinking, it doesn't take forever to be able to get results, right? Because the thing with our 10K program, it's like a year of support. It's 10K for the whole year. But what we're thinking about doing with this program is gonna be maybe 8 to 12 weeks, 2 to 3 months turnaround time. It really just depends on where the person's at. You could be a credit repair business owner, you cannot be a credit repair business owner. The thing is, I'm gonna be working one-on-one with you to basically help you create your own funding